Okay, I'd like to just show you a few quick tips to help get you started in setting up your course in Blackboard. So first I wanted to show you the way I've set up my control panel on the left for students. This has just been a way that's worked best for me and my students, and it seems to be pretty easy for them to navigate. So over on the left, I've separated it with important items at the top, language practice options, and here they can directly access Quizlet, which is their weekly vocabulary practice tool, and they can also access this down below in the separate weeks as well. They also can access My English Lab and Project Success from Blackboard and any extra helpful websites for them that I recommend. They also have access here to class information. And then I separate the links by sessions, and each separate link is their weekly activities. So session 1 has all 9 weekly activities, and then session 2 we're up to week 14 right now. And just to give you an example of how these are separated and organized, I'll click on one here. And as you can see, I've separated them into modules, and each module is a content folder that I've created. And I list how many hours it should take them to complete this module, and I list all the separate activities, and then they click on this folder, and I've created separate items. So we have different tasks for them to complete in each module. And then you can always go back up at the top of the menu, and they'll go down and they'll click on the next folder, and this will be separated by different items as well. Okay, and it goes down. They have optional activities. They have another quiz to cover everything for the week. Okay, and you can see in each of these modules they also have a quiz, just to show that they have completed the work, and it should have taken them about 2 hours. Okay. And then I also just want to show you a few quick things that will help make it easier as you're setting up your course. So if you want to, you'll need to change the course title so that students can find it quickly on Blackboard. So if you go down to customization and you go to properties, and you will be able to change the course name here. This is also where you can make the course available to students. You can select yes or no. And if you want to change any of these buttons or the text, the coloring of the background, you can either go to Quick Setup Guide, where they have different course themes already created for you. My suggestion would be go as simple as possible for students. And you can also click on teaching style to have a little bit more freedom in what you choose. And here you will be able to select different button styles as well as text. So I would go with something that's neutral, easy for everyone to see on their computer, and you can test it out as well. Okay. And that's it for now. Hopefully that will help make it a little bit easier as you set up your course.